How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. To transfer money from Cash App to Chime, you need to withdraw funds from your Cash App to your linked bank account, which should be your Chime account. Now, essentially treating your Chime account like any other external bank account when cashing out from Cash App, you can do this by accessing the banking section on Cash App. So basically, to link first of all your Chime bank account, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, what you want to do is simply scroll and you'll find under account and settings an option called linked banks. So simply go to the linked bank section. Here it says to link a debit card. You can tap on link debit card button, and here you can see add a bank using a debit card. So you can add your Chime bank account using a debit card, or you can select no card option from the bottom if you do not have a card yet. And from here, you want to simply search for your Chime bank account right here and link your Chime bank account. So here it says link your bank account, tap on continue option. Enter your phone, or you can continue as guest. Here simply search for Chime. As you can see here, I've already found it. Then once you search for Chime, you want to log into your Chime mobile or online banking, and your bank account will be linked, right? So once your bank account is basically linked, right, now you can withdraw the funds from your Cash App. So you can come to the home tab right here, select the withdraw option once you have enough funds, and money will be withdrawn to your Chime bank account. So I hope this video pretty much explained you well on how you can transfer money from Cash App to Chime Bank. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.